Hey guys, welcome back to part 2 of my maiden voyage to Australia. Part 1 ended with us in Grenada, and now travel over to Colombia where you join us now. now. Good morning, guys, and here we are today in Colombia, Cartagena. It's my first time here, and the ship is also first time here to this port, and it's another beautiful day out here. I mean, I would say not really clear skies, but partly clouded. And well, I'm still on duty. We just had a drill, just got over, and after that, I need to go to work, and then after that, we have, I mean, some time. So that's the time I'll just try to go out. Wow, guys, I'm out here in Colombia, out in Cartagena, and there's so many birds here. So many. It's like a wildlife. As you can see, there's a peacock here. It's so cool. Look at this one. Whoa. Wow. Different kind of birds as I'm walking by this. I don't know what it's called, a park or something. And I'm with my colleague over here. He's out here as well. Okay. So we cannot go other side. Almost a beautiful sunset. And yep, let's wait for the next port of call. That's tomorrow. It's Panama. I've never been there. My first time. So all the passengers down here just looking as we sail out of this port. And I'm one deck higher where nobody can come. So sorry I couldn't film anything for this today's port, and as it's really difficult to do it. As it was raining today, it was pouring like crazy. So let's see tomorrow. Good afternoon, guys, and here we are in Panama after yesterday's port in Cartagena, Colombia, and it's not a really good day out here to be in as it's pouring. It started to rain, dark skies, and I was thinking to hopefully go out and see what could I do and show you guys something, but let's see. I'm still working and just looking forward for the rain to stop a while. Let's see. I don't know what's gonna happen because I cannot do anything, and it looks pretty good from here. I heard that the beach and everything is like 45 minutes, and it's a pretty cool place to be in, but I don't know. So stay tuned to see what's coming next, guys. Let's get going. Guys, it's late in the evening and I couldn't do anything as it was raining today, so I just went out in the terminal and I didn't film anything. It was pouring like crazy. Right now I'm back on the ship, back to work, and tonight we're going to sail at 4 o'clock in the morning. We are like overnight over here, and by 6 o'clock in the morning tomorrow we have a Panama Canal transit. We're going to enter the Panama Canal, and then it's going to be a transit the whole day. So I'm trying to do, or I will do a time lapse if I can as a man. And well, it's lightning here, it's like thunderstorms going on, so there was nothing much I could do, and everything was far away from the port. So yeah, so just stay along and just stay tuned, guys. So until the next port of call after the Panama Canal transit, I think it's like 12 days at sea, but first let's have a look at the Panama Canal transit. So stay tuned, guys. Good afternoon, guys. It's been a while since I last vlogged, I think from Funchal. Now we had 12 days at sea straight. I didn't film anything, I didn't vlog anything. Now we are here in Nukuhiva, French Polynesia. I'm just out with a tender, and before that it was raining. I hope I can fly my drone around and show you something to you guys. So stay tuned and come along, guys. Let's get going. Wow, so beautiful. Well, the beach is on the other side, guys, and it's like 5-10 minutes by taxi, but we don't have the time to go there. We're going up to some wooden sculptures to show you something, so stay tuned, guys. Let's get going.
When there's no hope, loving for you who saw me before I knew who I'd be. What I have around me means nothing to me if I can't share it with you. Walking through all the dust, memories and frame, a past we simply left be. But I don't close the door, waiting the chance for when we'll be back again. You make me feel so crazy, still in love with you. You make me feel amazing when I'm next to you. You make me feel so crazy, my heart breaks for you. Can't help but know that I'm still in love with you.
Good afternoon, guys, and here we are in Papeti after 2 days at sea, after sailing out from Nukuhiva. And I didn't film anything, it was nothing much that I could film out there. And today, well, there is nothing up here as well. Everything is in Bora Bora, that's tomorrow. So guys, stay tuned and come along to see the next boat. That's Bora Bora, so that's pretty amazing, guys. Here I cannot show you anything, so just stay tuned. Good morning, guys, and here we are in Bora Bora after a day in Papiti yesterday. There was nothing much that I could show you around and everything, but today, well, I'm looking forward to do something, so it's amazing. I'm excited, I'm thrilled to be at this place here. It's a dream that, well, but I was not able to do everything what I want to do is working here. But look at that water there, guys, it's amazing. Beautiful beaches, and wow, so I'm just looking forward to finish work and just go ashore and see what can I do. So stay tuned and come along, guys. And there she comes. Just wait for my colleague is here. Oh, so pumping person, guys. Here we go. Okay, guys, we just came out from the tender, from the ship. It's the tender boat, and wow, look at this water. We're just waiting for another colleague. He's still on board, and well, we're just going for an adventure. But stay tuned and come along, guys. Undoubtedly, the most celebrated island in the South Pacific, Bora Bora is French Polynesia's leading lady. Her beauty is unrivaled and her fame is unwavering. Bora Bora is one of the few places on earth that everyone hopes to witness in their lifetime. And once you see it, you are forever enamored. What's up guys, good afternoon. And well, it was 5 days at sea after Bora Bora, as I couldn't do much of the filming, but here we are in New Zealand, which I always wanted to be. And it was 6 days at sea, but it was 1 day forward. We crossed the international day line, and yeah, so stay tuned and come along and let's see what's up with New Zealand here. There are two ships in port. One is our ship, the Castor, and one is the Majestic Princess. And that is, and the princess that I was talking about, the big one, well, that's up there. So guys, here we go. Time to say, well, I'm going. So stay tuned for a sail away party, and well, I don't think we can film that, but let's see what we can do. Good afternoon guys, and here we are in Sydney after a few days, 3 days at sea from New Zealand, and well, it's all the way from Europe to Asia. It was an incredible crossing, had a good experience, and here I am in Sydney. So stay tuned, and let's see what's coming up next. Maybe the Opera House if I get the opportunity to go. So yeah guys, finally we are here, Sydney Opera House. Just had this time left and could just make it out. It's amazing. There's another cruise ship, it's Norwegian Jewel. There she is, she's huge. And yep, stay along and stay tuned guys. Wow, the Opera House, Norwegian Jewel, that's a big one. That's the bridge, it's way too crowded, so let's get going and stay tuned guys. So guys, here we go. Finally we are in Australia, all the way from Europe, as we sailed from Tilbury. I'll put the miles in, I don't know how much thousand miles is it. So if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to smash the subscribe button. So enjoy, and see you in the next video guys. Out. Thanks for watching the video. This concludes the maiden voyage to Australia. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button, leave me a comment below, and don't forget to smash the subscribe button.